A netrčí to do výhľadu, prosto vidíš si prednú kapotu, to, čo máme radi, aby si sa v priestoroch stiesnených dokázal ľahšie orientovať. Čiže naozaj sa veľmi rýchlo človek žije s autom, snad len to, že máš tendenciu siahať na páčku po stieračoch a to vlastne... A ono je to na tej ľavej strane a na valčeku. No tak trošku nešťastné, ale je to, vieš, zas nemá každý bežne 8 aut na vyskúšanie za mesiac, akoby, že sa musíš za každým kalibrovať. Takže je to len otázka zvykov. Je to a head-up display k tomu.
Presne to hovorím, že tu je vlastne všetko, na čo sme zvyknutí a už nič nemusíš vypisovať a vyklikávať a dávať fajočky. Head-up display. Jednoduchý, ale proste vidím, aká tu má byť rýchlosť, ako rýchlosťou idem.
No tak ja už chcem počuť nejaké negatíva, veď mal si auto 6 dní a iba 1,5, tak na betón si niečo musel nájsť. Okrem toho dešpektu voči Číňanom, okrem toho, že keď to bude treba predať, že to bude asi veľmi náročná cena, bude musieť ísť veľmi lebo ja som si v poznámkach všimol, že 7 rokov a 150 000 kilometrov je záruka. No to ešte v recenzii nezaznelo. Čiže nielen, že toto stojí 48 300, jediná cena, ale že 7 a 150 000, alebo na druhej strane, však to, čo Európska únia nutne od každého plug-in hybridu a elektromobilu vyžaduje, že 8 alebo 160 000 kilometrov musí byť na samotnú batériu. Toto je jaká vec, toto som tiež ešte nevidel. Že keď odbočuješ, ti ukáže hocikto, ale že si to položíš kam ty chceš. To už čo je?
Ale aj to zobrazovanie je veľmi praktické. Áno, je pravda, že stále častejšie sa zobrazuje, keď odbočuješ, aby si videl, že kde máš prípadne cyklistu alebo chodca. Veľmi v poriadku, veľmi dobre. Aby som bol presný 15,6. No, čiže, ale áno, je veľmi pekne zapracovaný, krásne zobrazovanie.
Je v hliníkovom obale respektíve v hliníkovom, prosto, toto je jak notebook. Alebo tablet, poriadny, dobrý, luxusný tablet. Až si ho máš chuť vziať.
Keď sa pýtaš na slabiny, tak jednou z nich sú podľa mňa svetlá, lebo v tejto triede, v tejto úrovni by sme očakávali svetlá jednak výkonnejšie a jednak aj trošku sofistikovanejšie. No ale to hovoríme stále dookola, čiže svetlá tu naozaj nevedia nič iné, iba sa prepínať. Robia to v podstate úplne pohotovo, veľmi rýchlo, majú dostatočný výkon, dokonca nie sú ani veľmi fľakaté, čo ma prekvapilo, že teda pekné, ploché svetlo, jasné, príjemné svetlo, teda ale jedine, že by som chcel, aby už tie svetlá mali možnosť aj trošku vyrezávať nejaké
objekty. My len buďme radi, že toto ešte Číňania nerobia, že ešte niečo v Európe ostáva, že naozaj to vieme robiť oveľa lepšie ako zbytok sveta, čo je dané aj tým, lebo tie adaptívne diaľkové svetlá fakticky žiaden iný kontinent nepoužíva. Chápem, no.
No, podľa mňa toto je balík, ktorý
sa nedá ignorovať.
Naozaj nadštandardný pre Európu za 48 000. Táto veľkosť, táto kvalita a tento výkon, a teraz nemám na mysli len výkon motorov, ale aj výkon nabíjania, výkon akumulátora. Veľmi vážna ponuka. Veľmi vážna.
If you're turning 65 or beyond, you're going to want to watch this. There are a lot of people today that are Medicare eligible that are enrolling in Advantage plans because of all the advertisements that give the impression that everything on the Advantage plan is going to be free. Now, there are some things on Advantage plans that will be free. You can see your primary care doctor, you can get home health care, or your preventive services are going to be a zero copay. But the bulk of services, the healthcare needs that you're going to have are not going to be free. The Advantage plan is a copay system. So some of the copays you're going to be looking at, first off, to be enrolled in an Advantage plan, you have to be enrolled in a Medicare A and B. Medicare A is free, but Part B has a premium. This year, that's $170.10 a month. Secondly, anytime that you see a specialist, it is not going to be free. You're going to have a copay each time you see a specialist, anywhere from $25 to $50 per visit. And then thirdly, anytime you're going to need a scan, all these kinds of services are going to cost you in the neighborhood of about $200 to $400, depending upon the test and the location. Fourthly, anytime you have an outpatient procedure. Now that's going to range anywhere from about $250 to about $350. And then lastly, inpatient. You're going to have a copay somewhere between about $350 to $500. And notice this, that is per day. Now, this daily copay will stop after 5 or maybe 6 days. So as you can see, though they advertise there are a lot of zeros, there's very few zeros, and most things you're going to be out of pocket. Now, when you see all the Medicare Advantage plan ads, it's almost like, well, why would you not want to do this? Well, there's actually several reasons that I would have concern about Advantage plans, and these are things that people need to be aware of. But one of the biggest issues with Advantage plans is pre-authorizations. Now, pre-authorization means that you need some kind of a healthcare service that's expensive. It could be an MRI, a CAT scan, PET scan, but there are many services today, in fact, 72% of them on average, that actually are going to require pre-authorization. And so pre-authorization means that your doctor says that you need a hip replacement or knee replacement or something, but the insurance company, Advantage Plan, is going to have to agree with that decision, actually approve of that service before you're going to get that. And so we've had situations where someone needed an MRI or CAT scan and the approval was delayed for 3 weeks, upwards to 6 weeks. Didn't get it immediately. Had someone recently that needed a knee replacement. Insurance company said, no, we don't agree with that, and therefore they did not approve of that. They would not pay for those services. And so the point is, when people go on Advantage plans, they're putting themselves in this position where they're going to have pre-authorization. So as you can see, Advantage plans are not going to be free. In fact, they can be much costlier than what people realize, and then you're going to have to live with the consequences, such as pre-authorizations whenever you enroll into that Advantage plan. So as you can see, Advantage plans are not going to be free. In fact, they can be much costlier than what people realize, and then you're going to have to live with the consequences, such as pre-authorizations whenever you enroll into that Advantage plan. Now, I know that understanding this and all the other details of Medicare can be very difficult. With so much confusing and conflicting information, it's hard to know who you can trust. It's also difficult to know exactly what to do and how to choose the Medicare plans that are best for you. That is why I created a free workshop that will make Medicare a lot easier for you to understand. My name is Marvin Music, and this workshop is where we've helped over 250,000 people like you save money, find the best Medicare coverage, and avoid any Medicare mistakes or penalties. In this free workshop, you're going to discover how to pick the perfect Medicare plan for you, how and when to enroll in a Medicare, unbiased pros and cons of each Medicare plan. You're going to know the good, the bad, and the fine print of Medicare Advantage plans. You'll know the differences between supplemental and Advantage plans and all the traps and mistakes that you need to avoid so you don't end up paying hundreds of thousands of dollars out of pocket. Plus, so much more that's going to help you live your retirement worry-free. Now, I can't possibly show you everything in this short ad, so you have to click the link below and save your spot for my free workshop. Just enter your name and your email address so I can send you the invitation right away, and you can access this workshop free of cost. Remember, this is not a sales pitch, and not 1 second of it will be a waste of your time. And when it's all over, you'll understand Medicare, and you'll never be pestered by us or pressured in any way. Now, you may be tempted to click off this opportunity and procrastinate. Honestly, I have seen some put it off and wait until the last minute and then end up making an impulsive buying decision and sometimes even penalized for life. I know you don't want that to happen. I don't either. That is totally unnecessary. So go ahead, click the link below, type in your name and your email so that you can get instant access, and we'll send you this Medicare workshop completely for free. So do yourself a favor and go watch the workshop right now.
The knot in your back isn't going away because you're treating it completely wrong. Watch what happens when this revolutionary device touches the tense muscle knot for the first time. See this? This is what real tension release looks like, not the surface level pressure you get from foam rollers or tennis balls that barely scratch the surface. And definitely not what you experience at those expensive massage appointments where you drop $150, feel amazing for exactly 2 days, then you're right back where you started, stiff, sore, and frustrated. Here's what nobody tells you about chronic muscle pain. Your muscles aren't just tight, they're starved.
Množstvo automobilových značiek, ktoré k nám prichádzajú z Číny, neustále rastie. Zoznamujeme sa aj my postupne s novými a novými a priznám sa, že toto je moja úplne prvá skúsenosť so značkou BYD, teda Build Your Dreams. Je to celkom odvážne a sebavedomé nazvať auto Budujte svoje sny, ale pravdu povedia, značka BYD si to môže dovoliť. Aj z hľadiska množstva predaných vozidiel je to teda, tuším, 5. značka na svete, takže naozaj sa rozprávame o veľkom automobilovom výrobcovi. A navyše výrobca, ktorý celkom určite počúva a sleduje trendy v Európe. Vidieť to už na samotnom dizajne, veď konec koncov aj ten je vlastne výtvorom európskeho dizajnéra. A skutočne musím povedať, že opäť som si počase užíval veľký záujem svojich kamarátov aj neznámych ľudí, pretože BYD Sea Lion